Hello everyone, welcome back to Yunolearning. In a series on how to build upon your lexical resource in a much more effective and productive manner, we bring to you yet another video on the theme shopping. Now let's go ahead and deconstruct the word shop itself. The part of speech it hails from is verb, with the forms of verb being shopped, shopped, and past participle as shopping, meaning to visit multiple shops or websites in order to buy goods. Sentence: they went to the nearest supermarket to shop for the monthly inventory items. Some key terms derived from shop are: number one, shopper, noun, one who shops; shopkeeper, noun, one who owns or manages a shop; shoplifting, noun, taking goods from a shop without paying for them; shop, noun, a shop with old fashioned charm; shopaholic, noun, one addicted to shopping. Next up, we have price. Part of speech it hails from is noun, meaning amount of money required or set as consideration for sale of an article. Sentence: the prices for basic amenities inflated exponentially after the manufacturing unit suffered a massive blow due to the drought. Some key terms derived from price are: price tag, noun, label showing price of an article; pricey, adjective that means expensive; overpriced, adjective to charge too high a price; price conscious, adjective to know the actual or intuitive price of articles. Some other terms from the theme shopping are: number one, receipt, noun, paper proof given stating that the article bought has been paid for. Sentence: the exchange of articles is only permitted upon production of the receipt until 7 days. Trial room, noun, a room for trying out clothes in a shop before purchasing. He wasn't sure of what size will fit him, so he took a small and a medium into the trial room to try on. Refund, noun, money paid back to customer upon dissatisfaction or damaging of product under warranty period. The refund was initiated as soon as the receipt for the goods was verified by the company. Bargain, verb, to buy an article well below the usual price. She bargained the ornamental piece up to half the list price printed on its price tag. Brand, noun, a unique design to distinctly identify a product from its competitor. While buying products, he always chooses a well known brand so as to be sure of its quality. Trolley, noun, a large container with wheels in a supermarket to put products in. The guard cross checked the items while they packed the items one by one from the trolley into the carry bag. Checkout, noun, counters where payment for goods is made. The staff at the checkout was very amicable and professional as people hastened through the long queue behind the counters. Cashier, noun, one who takes money in a shop. The cashiers were quite occupied as it was a busy day at the grocery store. Next up, we have different types of stores. Number one, pharmacy. Noun, a shop that sells medicines. Thrift store. Noun, a shop that sells second-hand articles. Convenience store. Noun, a small retail store with a limited selection of basic items and household goods. Grocery store, noun, a shop that sells groceries, that is, foods, vegetables, and household supplies. Supermarkets, a large shop that sells mainly food and household items. Warehouse stores, a large store that sells goods in bulk at low prices to public. Discount stores, a shop that sells goods at a discounted or lower than retail price. Departmental store, a large shop that sells different types of items. Let's have a look at some of the questions asked in the IELTS exam on the theme shopping. Do you like shopping through the internet? How do you feel about shopping? What changes have you observed in shops in the past few years? Cue card. Describe a shopping center you often go to. You should say where the shopping center is, how often you go there, what it looks like. Let's try answering some of the questions with the vocabulary we just learned. Do you like shopping through the internet? Yes, I quite often buy products online. There is quite a range of choice and alternatives for overpriced products on various websites. Major brand outlets have their online websites where I can purchase and gets the good delivered within days. How do you feel about shopping? I would describe myself as a shopaholic person and often go on a shopping spree in my city. I am very price conscious and hence bargain heavily while I go street shopping. Next up, we have a writing task from the IELTS exam on the theme shopping. Nowadays, many people go shopping in their free time. Shopping has replaced many other activities that people used to choose as their hobby. What are the reasons for this? Is this a positive or negative development? Now try answering this question with the vocabulary we just learned. So that's all for today. For more personalized live IELTS and spoken English classes at affordable prices, enroll today and don't forget to subscribe for more such content.